What if the most advanced humanoid robot in the world right now wasn't a concept or a prototype, but was already walking with natural grace and real intelligence?
Because what you're about to see isn't science fiction, it's reality. Meet LimX Luna, their next-generation full-size interactive humanoid robot. Look at her, that sleek, elegant silver body, the smooth, fluid way she moves with perfect balance and coordination. Every single step is powered by advanced technology that makes her feel less like a machine and more like something truly alive. From her graceful turns and weight shifts to the precise human-like movements of her arms and head, every motion feels intentional, natural, and beautifully executed. This isn't just another walking robot. Luna was built to solve one of the biggest problems in robotics today, making people actually feel comfortable approaching and interacting with her. Her natural motion, expressive gestures, responsive head movements, and real-time interaction make her feel welcoming and intuitive rather than cold or mechanical. She doesn't just perform tasks, she connects. LimX Dynamics didn't focus only on speed or strength. They focused on creating a humanoid that feels human, elegant, capable, intelligent, and ready for real-world environments. Whether she's navigating complex spaces or engaging with people, Luna does it all with remarkable ease and sophistication. This is embodied AI at its finest. Luna represents a massive leap forward, proving that the future of robotics isn't coming someday. It's already here, walking right in front of us. But here's what makes this even more exciting. Luna didn't come out of nowhere. Just weeks before this reveal, LimX introduced the robot that started it all and laid the foundation for everything you're seeing now.
Back in April, they introduced the world to Oli, their full-size general-purpose humanoid built for real-world experiences. Listen to this.
Hello, welcome to our company. I'm Oli, your reception host. Today, I'll show you around and help you get to know us well. Please follow me. We'll start at the reception area. LimX Dynamics was founded in 2022. We are an embodied AI robotics company focused on building full-size humanoid robots like Oli, as well as bipedal robots such as TRON and other innovative products. We are committed to breakthrough innovation in embodied intelligence, unlocking AGI's potential in the physical world. Through our IDS ecosystem strategy, we empower innovators, developers, and system integrators, driving advancements of embodied AI across research, manufacturing, commercial, and home applications. Now, please follow me. Let me show you our patent wall. This is our patent wall. It showcases our achievements in technology and intellectual property. Since our founding, we've secured multiple patents across hardware, motion control, and embodied AI models. Behind every certificate is the dedication of our R&D team, countless hours of hard work and refinement. This is our pantry, a place to recharge during the workday. With water dispensers, coffee machines, and a variety of tea and snacks, it keeps everyone energized. Welcome to the Ha Financial Creative Center. You are now looking at the project model. The HFCC consists of 3 towers arranged in a linear layout, higher in the north and lower in the south. This floor is an exclusive high-level presentation space. It offers a 270-degree unobstructed view, overlooking mountains.
And the momentum is insane. Just last month at the Baidu Create 2026 AI conference, Oli got major international attention.
Even ABC World News with David Muir covered it. Listen to this.
Towards us, one of the humanoid robots here on display at the conference.
This humanoid robot stands at 5'5". They call him Ali.
This robot weighs about 121 pounds. You're convinced this robot is going to be able to do chores in the family home? It's bowing already. It's bowing already. You've taught the robot how to bow, but you think that's just the beginning.
Yes, they tell us, proud to show us this.
Through artificial intelligence, you've trained the robot to be able to lay down and then get back up.
They program these robots with data on human movement. This robot weighs 121 pounds, laying completely down and then sitting back up like a human. They consider this a major technical leap.
The waist, that means makes him more flexible.
Oh, the waist.
The waist.
Yeah. It's all in the hips.
And they tell me this is just a start. But what they've been able to do already is eye-opening. This is the G1 humanoid robot built by the Chinese robotics company Unitree. They have put the robot through extreme tests, walking through deep snow in northwestern China, freezing Arctic-level temperatures, 53 degrees below zero. That same robot on rollerblades and on ice skates doing flips. And look at this, 50 of those robots in unison. And their newest model just this week, the GD01, transforming from 2 to 4 legs and able to carry a human. The US is building robotics too, but by some estimates, these Chinese humanoid robots now account for nearly 80% of sales worldwide. And we look for one of those Unitree G1 humanoid robots right here.
So this is the robot that you've seen rollerblading, ice skating, testing temperatures, Arctic level temperatures.
We go for a walk with the robot. It then performs martial arts and dance moves too. And it's something we hear over and over again here. The workers at Unitree tell us they are convinced these robots will soon help in the home with daily chores. We ask, what will this robot do?
What do you see the robot doing to help humans?
They tell us it will help in the home and at factories too. And we ask, will it replace humans?
It will not replace humans, but it will replace some work that human does.
Won't replace the human, but replace some of the work. Be very careful, right?
But already the household chores, not far from us, the robot folding laundry.
Not bad, huh? All right, there you go. I mean, I can still fold faster than the robot.
And they tell us here that laundry is just the start. Unitree robots are being programmed to make beds, help clean the house, to do the dishes. The people here are mesmerized.
Who wins the artificial intelligence race when it comes to robots? China? The US?
I totally think it's China.
You think it's going to be China?
Yes.
It has to be China.
You say to the American.
And if you thought LimX was only about impressive humanoids, wait until you see this.
This is an autonomous sanitary cleaning robot built on the LimX TRON 1 platform in partnership with RobotKit AI. It maps, scans, and cleans bathrooms and sanitary facilities completely on its own, no human supervision required. Using custom LiDAR, depth cameras, and a specially trained robotic arm, this robot moves through spaces with precision. It identifies dirty areas, applies the right cleaning methods, and finishes the job efficiently every single time. What makes this truly special is how it frees people from one of the most unpleasant household chores. No more scrubbing toilets or cleaning floors by hand. This robot handles it all autonomously while you focus on more important things. This is embodied AI in action, not in a lab, but in real environments where it actually makes life easier. From full-size interactive humanoids to smart autonomous cleaners, LimX Dynamics is proving that the future of robotics is already here, and it's working for us. This is the kind of innovation that shows embodied AI isn't coming someday. It's already changing how we live right now.